So students, as I have discussed with you about muscular force, gravitational force and magnetic force, we have another type of force which is known as frictional force. So what is basically friction? Friction is a force that opposes the motion of an object. For example, if you are moving a ball or if you are rolling a ball, the force that tries to stop that ball at a point is known as the frictional force. We are able to walk because of the force of gravity, but also because of the frictional force. If there is no friction between the surface and our sandal, whatever you are wearing, so what will happen? We will get slip. In the same way, we are able to write. Why we are able to write? Because there is a friction between the pen and the paper. So this force tries to oppose the motion of an object. Have you noticed that when you push a ball, it stops rolling by itself because of the force of friction? If there would be no force of friction, the ball would have kept on rolling and it would never have stopped at any point. So it is a frictional force which tries to stop the things. Frictional force slows down the moving object. When you roll a ball, you will see that very initially, at initial point, the ball will move with a high speed, but slowly and slowly the speed of that ball reduces. Why the speed reduces? Because of the frictional force. And then after that comes a point when that ball stops rolling. It gets stop at a point. So that is known as the frictional force. We are able to walk because of the frictional force. We don't slip because of the friction between our shoes and the floor. The amount of friction depends upon the type of surface. Means if the surface is rough, it means there is more friction. And if the surface is very smooth, then the force of friction is very less. So I hope these points are clear, the force and the types of forces. So I hope children everything is clear to you, but then also if you are facing any problem, please do inquire, please do ask me. You can message me or you can call me. Thank you and have a nice day.